Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about fireworks display in Chinese New Year. So if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and please hit the notification bell para mas updated kayo sa aking mga videos. So yung video na ito is this was last 2019 with my friend. Gumala kami dyan at nanood ng fireworks display dyan sa may Simsat Joy. At kasi nung time na yun na Chinese New Year, so we read this Chinese New Year fireworks display. The Chinese New Year fireworks display is the biggest fireworks spectacular of the year in Hong Kong. The captivating 23 minutes display takes place on the second day of the Lunar New Year. You can watch the fireworks from either side of the harbor in Sim Sat Choi or Central in Wan Chai. So yan o. Ayaw ko na talagang at least experience ko bago umuwi. So ayaw ko na talaga kasi na-late kaming umuwi, walang masakyan, sobrang crowded at sobrang sikip ng mga daan. So, basahin natin yung history ng fireworks display nito. Lunar New Year fireworks display in Hong Kong is an annual event to celebrate the Chinese New Year in Hong Kong. It should in the second day of Lunar New Year above the sky of Victoria Harbour in the evening. So, the history of the Chinese New Year fireworks display is in 1982 to celebrate its 150th anniversary. Hardin Matheson sponsored the first firework display event. The event received good public response. Since then, it became an annual event in Chinese New Year as the greetings to Hong Kong citizens. Fireworks shows similar to these events are also held in Victoria Harbour on the common calendar. New Year's Eve on December 31 and the anniversary of Hong Kong's handover from United Kingdom to China that happened on June 30, 1977. At saka yan ang last na firework display dyan sa Hong Kong na nang wala pang pandemic. Hindi ko lang natandaan or naalala kung may fireworks display pa sila ng year 2020. Kasi nag-start yung pandemic 2020. So, itong video na to is last 2019.